Hi everyone, it's Marcy. I hope everyone's doing well today. And I'm going to jump right in. I'm working on parchment tracing or vellum pockets for Dear Julie Julie's August Assembly Line Journal Challenge. And what I've got is some pockets from Musings by Nikki and Artie Mays, some of their sunflower pockets that I printed out on tracing paper. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to back this onto some music paper. Trying to get it somewhat lined up. And I'm not gluing the entire thing in place. I'm just trying to get near the edges just to hold it. I'll be sewing around it in just a few minutes. And I actually started these earlier, and after I'd gotten several done, or a few done, I thought, oh, why didn't I do it this way? So I may be, but I'd already started the process, so I may be revisiting this at some point to try it another way. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is basically I'm getting rid, these pockets were intended to be folded, and I'm getting rid of that and cutting away the excess music paper and excess tracing paper. And I'm just going to cut this straight across. But I will say doing it this way is much quicker than, because what I thought is, well, why didn't I just set the music paper down and wrap these sides around the music paper? Then the music paper wouldn't have been attached, but it would have made a pocket back. Okay. Then I just distressed the top of that. I need to go ahead and distress around the whole thing just to knock back where that thumb hole is. Distress around the entire thing. And got my lace trim here. I'm going to put across the top. And that will cover the thumb hole that I'm no longer going to use. Okay, then I'm going to run this over to my sewing machine and stitch all the way around it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I sewed around my pocket, And now the only other thing I'm going to add is a teeny tiny little vocab card. This one says generous. Just some little positivity kinds of words. And I'm going to put that right there. And then I can't believe I'm already, let's see, I've still got to make journal cards, tags, mini notebooks, and ruffles or tab edges. So, got that one that I just made, and then these are the others that I made.